Good evening, Philippines. Mike Padua here, and we're back to our analysis for this Wednesday through Friday, July 21 to 23, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat. Beginning today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday, we still have the presence of Typhoon Infa with international name Fabian, moving slowly and is approaching the Miyakojima and Ishigaki-jima islands of southern Japan. And this system is continues to intensify, and right now it could reach category 3 strength with winds of 185 kilometers per hour as we speak, and it is expected to move very slowly at a speed of 6 kilometers per hour for the next 24 hours. And because of this slow movement, the effects of the Southwest Monsoon will continue to dump on and off to continuous rainfall across the western sections of Luzon. This includes Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Mindoro, as well as the western sections of Ilocos region. That includes Pangasinan and areas of Ilocos region for the next 2 days. And this event will persist until the system remains over to the east of Taiwan, and likely the effects of this rain event will persist until Friday or even Saturday. So some of the monsoon rains can also be observed penetrating across areas of Calamin-Cubab Islands, as well as Romblon and the Bicol region. So there are times of some passing rain showers, as well as intense thunderstorms generated by the Southwest Monsoon. So winds, particularly along the western sections, will be ranging from 30 to 60 kph expected for the next 3 days until Typhoon Infa or Fabian exceeds the Philippine area of responsibility. And we have here the tropical storm Sempaka, once a typhoon, and it already made landfall this morning, and right now it's already downgraded into a tropical depression as we speak, and it is expected to move over the Gulf of Tonkin in the next couple of days. And lastly, its remnants will be absorbed by the passage of Infa as it moves closer towards southeastern China. Out here over the area of Guam and Marianas, we have a shallow LPA developing, but it is expected to move towards the north or northeast, and it's not expected to be a threat to the Philippine Islands. So there you go. Watch out for flash floods and landslide when we have severe thunderstorms within the monsoon wind system. So likely these areas with which we mentioned will experiencing some high alert for possible flash floods and landslide because of the continuing effects of the Southwest Monsoon. So please take all necessary precautions, folks, along the western sections. And here's the fast animation. You can clearly see here the southwest jog of the system. And here comes the Southwest Monsoon, still affecting Metro Manila and portions of western Luzon. So here's the latest 6-hour satellite animation beginning at 3 p.m. until 8 p.m. this evening. You can clearly see here that the rain bands of the Southwest Monsoon continues to bring moderate to heavy rainfall across the western sections of central Luzon, including Metro Manila. And if we look using the infrared, those are heavy rainfall generated by the Southwest Monsoon, particularly along the western sections of Bataan, Metro Manila, and also the western sections of Batangas and Mindoro. So please take all necessary precautions. Now let's take a look at our storm watch track number 6, which we issued around 5 p.m. So there you go. There has been some new changes on the track of the system. Yesterday or the other day, when we last gave you the video update, the track supposedly is going this way, but right now, due to the weakening or the future weakening of the ridge to the north, it is expected to move more to the northwest after the second day forecast. So that will be on Friday. So it is expected to move out of the Philippine area of responsibility late Friday afternoon, and it will traverse the East China Sea during Saturday, and on Sunday early morning it might make landfall over Zhejiang province, east of Zhejiang province in eastern China. So during the voyage of this system, expect continuous monsoon rains to prevail across the western sections of the country, particularly western Luzon, including the national capital region. So here's the various Asian agencies tracks on tropical cyclone info or typhoon info. As you can see, majority of them for the next 48 hours shows a track directly over Ishigakijima and Miyakojima area of the southern islands of Japan, and it will start to move towards the northwest on Friday towards eastern China. And if we look at Sempaka, here comes the tropical cyclone, the typhoon at typhoon strength when it made landfall early this morning, and it's now weakened into a tropical storm and eventually into a tropical depression this evening, and it's likely to move back over the Gulf of Tonkin or back to the open waters sometime on Friday. And some models shows that its remnants will move to the east and will be absorbed into the southwesterly wind flow or the Southwest Monsoon. And if we take a look at the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Friday, beginning today, Wednesday through Friday, expect still some moderate, heavy to extreme rainfall to occur across the western sections of northern and central Luzon, including Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Mindoro, and the western sections of Panay, including Romblon. But based on what we saw on the latest satellite animation during the past 12 hours, most of the rainfall are just concentrated over this area. Okay, over that area. So we shall see by tomorrow if the monsoon will dig down more to the south. It may affect once again areas of western Panay, including Iloilo, Guimaras. Okay, in the Bicol region, we could still experience some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms brought about by the southwest monsoon. But overall, it will be windy, partly sunny to cloudy, with some drizzles and passing of some quick thunderstorms that could generate some squalls or subasco over the western sections of the Bicol region, including Naga and also parts of Albay. And also affected is the Bundok Peninsula of Quezon for the next 3 days. So the bulk of the rainfall are located on the western sections of Luzon. And if we look at the latest rainfall wind forecast, here's the European model from windy.com. By tomorrow, still possible rains and thunderstorms brought about by the southwest monsoon will affect Mindoro and the southern Tagalog provinces. And on Friday, same conditions will occur, becoming more intense here along the Ilocos region because of the location of Typhoon Infa or Fabian. And on Saturday, the system is expected to make landfall over eastern China, and here over the Philippine Islands it will start to weaken a bit based on what we see on the European model. So far, that's the latest for the 3-day up to 4-day forecast of the rain and wind brought about by the southwest monsoon enhanced by Typhoon Infa. And before we leave you, here's the global topics, hazards, and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. This is for the next 2 weeks. So beginning week 1, valid July 21st to July 27, the areas of Luzon, including Mindoro, will continues to be experiencing above average rainfall because of the passage of tropical or typhoon Infa over this area. And there might be another tropical cyclone formation to the north of Guam as the week progresses. And By week 2, July 28 to August 3, the above average rainfall will shift more to the north across Cagayan Valley and Ilocos region, the northern parts of Ilocos region, that includes Ilocos provinces and Batanes. And this is mainly because of the another potential tropical formation to the south of Japan, while over the Bicol region, Metro Manila down to Mindanao, Visayas, Palawan, or Mimaropa, and Sulu Archipelago, there might be a 50% chance of below average rainfall. So it looks like we might be having some monsoon break during this week, maybe on the latter part of week 2. So stay tuned for that. So the rainfall will still persist for the next 5 days until Saturday or Sunday. So please take all necessary precautions and watch out for the next update on Friday. So that's it. That's the latest from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.